Hello, fellow traders. So, an update on natural gas. I think because we're at the end of the month almost, one day straight. We're close to being the low. It is a directional change this month, so expect this is jump higher, but not on the weekly level yet. We do need to touch 1305 since we did not close 1524. So it's gonna go down for 2 weeks. I mean, probably days. The next reversal, it's 1355 for daily. So on the daily level, it's gonna keep going down at least until this level. The day to watch for is Thursday. It's Friday or 6. I think that's gonna be the lowest on the daily, but I doubt we're gonna see 12 something. It's gonna be somewhere around the 13. Um, yep, it's see this was 12:35 and failed to take out the reversal, moved up a bit, and let's just see what's happening. The next after Thanksgiving tomorrow and today is a panic cycle, so I think it's gonna keep going down. But I will post for private subscribers other information. So have a nice weekend and Thanksgiving.